Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode on Keeping It Real with Credit. Now, in today's episode, we're going to be talking about action plans. Yes, I said it, action plans. You need to have a plan in place when it comes to strategically boosting your credit score and knowing how to analyze your credit report and knowing what are the actual factors that are currently holding your credit report or credit scores back. If I will, why did I even say credit reports? Credit scores, right? So looking and reading and understanding your credit report can play a huge factor into making up your credit score and actually strategically making a plan to actually get yourself out of that rut that you've been in credit score wise. And so developing an action plan is the key. We do it in our company every day at ScoreShield Financial Group. We develop action plans for all of our clients, whether they do business with us or not. Doing the free credit evaluation allows us to take a look at your 3 scores and your 3 reports and put that together in an analysis that we email you for you to go ahead and read and study on your own. And whether you're going to do it on your own or hire us to do it, that's actually the first steps because it illustrates everything very nicely for you. So stay tuned because we're going to go over some of the 5 things you need to look for in your credit report when making your credit repair action plan. Coming up. So once you have your credit reports and your credit scores, you'll be able to tell where you stand and where many of your problems lie. And if you have a poor score, try to see in your credit report what could be actually causing the problem. Now, when developing your action plan, know where most of your credit score is coming from. So here's a few factors to look out for. Your credit history, which accounts for more than 1/3 of your credit score. So whether or not you've been a good credit risk in the past is considered the best indicator of how you will react to debt in the near future. So for this exact reason, late payments, loan defaults, unpaid taxes, bankruptcies, and other unmet debt responsibilities will count against you for the most part. You can't do much about your financial past now, but starting to pay your bills on time starting today can help boost your credit score here in the future. So the second thing to look forward to is your current debts, which also account for about 1/3 of your credit score. And if you have a lot of current debt, it may indicate that you're stretching yourself financially too thin. And so you'll have trouble paying back these debts in the near future. So if you have a lot of money owing right now, and especially if you've borrowed a great deal recently, this in fact will actually bring down your credit score tremendously. So you can actually boost your credit score by paying down your debts as far and as fast as possible. So the third thing you want to look forward to is how long have you had credit, which actually accounts for 15% of your credit score. If you have not had credit accounts for a very long time, you may not have enough of a history to let the lenders know whether you make a good credit risk. Not having credit for a long time can affect your credit score. So you can counter this by keeping your accounts open rather than closing them off as you pay them off. And the fourth thing you want to be looking for is the types of credit you actually have, how diversified your credit portfolio is, which accounts for 1/10 of your credit score. Lenders like to see a mixture of financial responsibilities that you handle well. Having bills that you pay as well as 1 or 2 types of loans can actually improve your credit score. And having at least 1 credit card that you manage well can also help boost your credit score. And last but not least, we have inquiries, which account for 10% of your credit score. Approximately 55 points can be lost if you consistently are applying for credit. And as you can see, it is possible to only estimate how much of a specific area of your credit report affects your credit score. Nevertheless, keeping these 5 areas in mind and making sure that each is addressed in your personalized plan will go a long way in making sure that your personalized credit repair plan is comprehensive enough to boost your credit effectively. And if you need a professional to help explain this process to you or help develop a plan in place for you, please make sure to schedule a free consultation with the link in the description below. You'll be able to speak to me and my team to give you a free credit analysis, which only accounts for 20 minutes of your time. In that analysis, we'll also be able to give you pricing, which obviously there's no obligation to join our program, but at least it's good to know what options you have available of whether you want to do it or you want us to take over to get you those quick results in the quickest amount of time to accomplish your financial goals. With that being said, guys, I hope you liked the information on this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share with family and friends, and until the next episode on Keeping It Real with Credit, peace.